Hello students, in this video we will talk about the worksheets of your English practice book. So let's take worksheet 4. So first of all, let's read the title where you can find negatives. So negatives means here we will talk about negative sentences. And basically these negative sentences will be formed by adding helping verb. And one more thing that here we will talk about negative sentences in past form. So read the following extract from Cinderella's diary. Extract means part of a text, part of something. So she has written, I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. I wanted to go to the party, but my mother did not want me to go. So here, just see in bold letters, which is highlighted in black, did not agree, and the next did not want. So these both are negative forms with the main verb. So remember, to form or to make a negative sentence in the past tense, we use did not with the base form of the verb. Base form of the verb means first form of the verb. So now we will do the worksheet. As the first one is already done, let me read this for you all. Cinderella's stepmother loved her. So we have to change this sentence into negative. So when we would change it, we will use did not, and with did not, we will use first form of the verb. So Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. So here we will not say loved her, we will say love her, because this is very basic rule of past indefinite tense, that wherever you use did, there you have to use first form of the verb, or you also call it base form of the verb. Now we will do next. The next is Cinderella's stepsisters worked hard. So now we have to change it into negatives, and answer would be Cinderella's stepsisters did not work hard. So did, then negative not, and work, base verb. And similarly you can find the other answers as well. Here you can see Cinderella enjoyed herself in the company of her stepsisters. So now we have to change it into negative, and we would change it this way. Cinderella did not enjoy herself in the company of her sisters. The next one, the stepsisters cared for Cinderella. So negative would be did not care. So sentence, the stepsisters did not care for Cinderella. And number 5, Cinderella lived in a big house. So negative would be did not. So Cinderella did not live in a big house. So this way we can do. Now we will go for the next page. Number 6, Cinderella's stepmother allowed her to go to the party. So negative would be did not allow. So sentence, Cinderella's stepmother did not allow her to go to the party. 7th, Cinderella's stepmother helped her get ready for the party. So reality was different, did not help her. So sentence, Cinderella's stepmother did not help her get ready for the party. And number 8, the king visited Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. So main verb is visited. If we will add here did not, so we will make again visit, which is main verb here, first form. So sentence would be the king did not visit Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. So now the things which you have to remember, that all the sentences that you have written using did not are negative sentences, and here we do not use ed with regular verbs, while did, for example, like Cinderella wanted to go to the party, Cinderella did not want to go to the party. So in first sentence wanted, but in second sentence want. Okay, now we will do the next. Cinderella could not go to the party because. So now we have to tell the reasons in negatives only. She did not have good clothes, reason number 1. She did not have shoe. She did not have any carriage or chauffeur. Chauffeur is like a driver. And she did not have any friend to accompany her to the party. As you can see this dialogue box, and she is sharing so many things, that what are the things which she does not have, and the same sentences have been changed into past negative forms. These are all past indefinite tense. Now we will do next worksheet. This is worksheet 5. Let's read the question first. While the dance party was going on in the palace, a precious necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum. You will read the details of the theft later in the unit. The police interrogated some servants in this regard. Complete the following interrogation with the help of the notes given below. So now just look at this box, the servant's schedule. So servant, he cooked food, or he's in habit of cooking food at 2 p.m. Then at 2:30 sweeps the room. At 4 p.m. changes curtains, notices a stranger. At 4:15 approaches him, inquires about him. He stays in the guest room, and at 5 p.m. returns, cleans the floor, stops the dog from going into the party hall, and at 7 p.m. finishes his work, applies an ointment on his forehead, and goes to sleep. So these are the clues. Now we have to complete these dialogues here. So police has come and police is interrogating him. Interrogate means asking questions. So first question is, can you recollect? Recollect means remember. Can you recollect the things you did yesterday? So servant, certainly. Certainly means yes, of course. Certainly I can. I cooked food at 2 p.m. Now according to this schedule only, this dialogue is to be completed. I cooked food at 2 p.m. and then swept the room at 2:30 p.m. At 4 p.m. I changed curtains, and while doing so noticed a stranger. Then police. What did you do when you noticed the stranger? And servant. I approached him. Approached means he went to him. I approached him and inquired. Inquired means to ask, and inquired about him. He told me that he stayed in the guest room adjacent to the Royal Museum. Adjacent means next to. Satisfied, I returned to the kitchen at 5 p.m., cleaned the floor, then I stopped the dog from going into the party hall. I finished my work at 7 p.m., applied an ointment on my forehead, and went to sleep. Ointment is a kind of cream only. Police, can you give us the stranger's physical description? Servant, yes, I can. Police, very well, then we will record your statement and thanks for your cooperation. So this was your worksheet number 5, where you have to fill the dialogues between police and the servant based on this schedule of the servant. So this way you have to fill. Just remember that worksheet number 4 and 5 are about past, past indefinite, and in negatives we use did, not, and base verb. That means first form of the verb.